ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಮೋರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಚೆಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು? ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ನಂಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ ಡೌಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಬ್ರೋ ನಂಗೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೈಡ್ ಬಾರ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆಪ್ಪ? ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್.
ಇಬ್ರು ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಯಾರು ಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಬ್ರು ಮಾಡಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 7:40 ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ.
7:30 ಯಾರು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕಾಯ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಯಾರು ಕಳಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ನೀವೇ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ ನೀವೇ ಬ್ರೋ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ದೇನ್ ಕತೆ. ಯಾರು ಇಮ್ರಾನ್ ಅವರೇ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಮ್ರಾನ್ ಪಾಪ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕೇಳೋದು ಅವನೇ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ
ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಪಾಪ ಮೋಹನ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 18 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು, 15+ ಇದ್ರು. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅದೇ
ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ.
ನಂದೇ 2 ಡಿವೈಸ್, ಇನ್ನು 9 ಜನ.
ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನು?
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ,
ಇದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಮೋಚ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಮೋಚ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಮೋಚ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇವಾಗ guys, everyone is visible. Abhishek screen.
Yes bro.
Okay, Anil ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರು.
I think everyone joined, right?
Continue ಮಾಡಿ bro. ನಾವು ಕಳ್ಸಿ 10 minutes ಆಯ್ತಾರೆ ಕಳ್ಸಿ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ.
Okay, I will start. ಮೋಹನ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್.
ಓಕೆ. One second. Guys, I think who is having access, everyone can start recording so that in anyone's it's better. If I'm Windows Alt R. Can I start, guys? So in previous example, in previous example, what we did, practice, I think so. Practice is not there. Okay. So now I'm going to start with the join. So I've already created the like tables, EMP table and all. So let me show you the table once. So this is an EMP table. First I'll start with the join in physical file, then we'll move to this one. Okay. So that I will do. I'll create an not working, my man. Okay, so I'll start work number PDM QDS So now I'm going to everyone know right how to create a physical file and then logical file. Now I'm going to create a two more physical file and then I'll create a logical file to join those two physical file. First I'll start with an F6 and then I'll go to create EMP tab 1 EMP PF12. So I'm having a multiple name with the EMP, so that's why physical file this one and then I'll start. So here I'll take F4. I'm going to this one record field. That's the reason I'll go with record EMP record and then enter. So again I'll go and start insert the next line and then I'll take F4. So I'm going to create EMP number first and then I'll mention a length as in 10 and here see data types. Yesterday sir taught about the data types. You can use if you want, you can use, or else you can like if you don't use also no problem, it will automatically consider. Better if you guys are aware of that, you can use that one. And one more, I think sir only like shared in website na LMS, everyone can check this. So this one, see, salary is an integer, everyone aware about that, which one integer and then which one character and all. Everyone know, right? That's all. For I'll take an key field of an EMP number. That's why I can able to create an file for this one. Not SQL. This is physical file only. In physical file, I'll show how to join the table like two physical files. After that, I'll start with Excel. Ah, no, no, no. I'm not using any SQL. I'm still creating a PFC. Type is PF na here. See above. Yes, we can do. This is a type of an file. In file, we can create anything, right? For specific purpose, we will create a SQL SRC for SQL only. But now I am creating a PF file in SQL. No problem. It's a type going to matter. Like which file you are going to create in which file, which member you are going to create in which file. That is not going to matter. Okay, we can create anything in any folder. In DDS SQL, DDS SRC also we can create SQL and then RPG programming also in future it will come. Okay, so now I'll go with one more EMP. I think everyone know about this. That's why I'm going and creating this one first. Huh. We can we can do. It's better now. We can do. We can do that one as. We will do that one. Can someone please turn off the computer? We're going to. No, no, no. Now I am recording with a different thing. I think it is going to work. I'll share with you guys. If you're you also start recording. If it is not working in your system, I'm going to share. Yes, yes. I'm no, no, no. It's okay. Now it will work because I have like using different thing for recording. We'll see. It is going to work. I have already tested this one. Yes, I am also recording. I am also recording. If you want, you can also record. It will be beneficial. Okay, so I have created a multiple tables and then I have added the data to this those physical files. So now I am going to create a logical file on top of that two physical file. So first I'll start with the join one to LF. Okay, one second. See. First we have to use F6 for creating a new. See here it is showing now F3 F6 for create. Okay, now if you want, you can go for this one also. STRSEU. This is also command. It is going to do the same. It went somewhere else. Okay, so we can use STRSU. It is going to take some other thing. It's okay. I'll start with this one. I'll take F6 and I'll going with the file name join one to LF and the type source type of the file logical file and here joining multiple physical files. This is my description. Now I'm going to start. See, whenever we are joining a two tables, we don't need to mention like record type is in which is present in a two physical table. We can mention a different thing. So I'm going to take here join rec and in function where we have to mention this one in whenever we are creating a logical file to a physical file, we are going to mention p file, right? So here we are using a different thing. We are using a J file. So J file for joining the multiple table and we have to mention the table name here. Okay. So here I'm mentioning EMP 12PF. Okay. This is my table name, right? EMP 12PF. I think so. This one and then DEPT 12PF. This is also my one more table. Okay. So now I'm using this one. After that, I'll insert one more line. In that line I'll take F4 here. So we are like doing operation of and joining. That is the reason we have to take a like name type of an J. After that in function we have to use the join and I'm using simply here 1 and 2 because it is so easy. If you go for an this one two physical file table, it will be like it is not we can use that one also, but I'm using 1 and 2. One it will consider one as an EMP 1 to PF and 2 as in department 1 to PF. Okay, so for that reason I'm using 1 and 2. So again I'm going to insert a one more line here and then I'll go for an F4. Here we don't need to mention anything in anywhere else. Here we have to mention join FLD. FLD means join field. So here we have to mention, here I am going to mention EMP number from EMP 1 to PF and DEPT number from department 1 to PF. Okay guys, understood how I am taking this one field? So I am okay. Okay, see, in first line I have added the record. In joining multiple physical file, we don't need to mention any specific which is present in a physical file. We can mention anything in a record format. Okay, so in functions I took a J file. So in physical and logical file joining, what we are using here, we are using a P file. Now we are using a J file because we are joining multiple physical files. That is the reason. Okay, so after that I took a emp12, like here these two are a file name. Okay, so here emp1 to pf is in one physical file, department1 to pf is in another physical file. Okay, so in next line what I am doing, so in type, in name type I am taking a j because we are doing a joining operation. That is the reason I am taking j. In functions, here I took a join is an like function which is going to join a multiple tables based on the key columns. Okay, so in like next line, so what I am doing, I took an another like blank line, and then I take f4. After that I am using a j field. So j field function, this is also a function, it is going to join the particular field. Okay, so here I am using one field as an emp number from employee 1 to pf, and dpt number from department 1 to pf. Okay, you guys understood now? Okay, okay, now yes. If anyone having a doubt, please let me know here only. It will be great. The question also it will clarified here only for everyone. If you're having any question, please ask me. If I can, I'll answer for that. Anyone having? I can carry on. Okay, fine. So I'll take F4 here. So here, what I have to do after like completing of this particular joining operation. So here, what I'm going to do. So I'll take on fields which is present in both the tables. So what I wanna see, I just wanna see EMP salary. First, I'll go for a department number. Then I'll take DPT name. Afterwards, I will take EMP sal. After I will take DPT TP type. Okay. So these are the fields I am taking from the two tables. Okay. So these three fields from department table and this employee salary from employee table. So if I want, I can take one more EMP name. Okay, that is not good. It's okay. We'll take a EMP and then I'll press enter. I'll compile this program file. Yes. Which one that is? This one, right? Joint 1 to LF. Yes. Okay. Yeah, which question you are asking? Why we are taking these fields? Uh, yes. Here we don't need to take any commas. It yes, yes. Yeah, see, we have to take a key field. That's why I'm mentioning. So you don't need to take a EMP number in department number. If you are having a like different key, like a similar type in a, both the tables, you can take that one. Okay, so here if you take and consider of an EMP name and department name. Okay, so the two like columns from the, yeah, two columns from the different tables should be same. Okay, so yeah, okay, so based on these two relations, so relations only we are connecting the table. Okay, based on EMP num. Yes, yes. In join like a logical file, these five fields only. This table is going to show in a logical file. This much only. J field is going to join the table based on the columns. Na EMP number is one column, DPT number is one column. So based on this column, it is going to join the tables. Here, this is a function. It is going to join a multiple table. The table name EMP1 to PF, department 1 to PF. That is the reason we mentioned join here. Okay, anyone having any doubts? Yeah, yes, we can add. It is see, yeah, it's again based on the common things in two tables. If you're having a common names in both the tables, then you can do that one. Yes, we both the columns should be same. You know, guys, in SQL, foreign key and then primary key concept. No, no, we can't. No, we can't able to add four, bro. We can only like join the two tables by like one each column. Okay, so this in SQL, there will be an concept of an primary key and then foreign key. So foreign key is an like an child table. Like when where we are using the foreign key, the relationship between the foreign key and then primary key, it will be connect the like which one main table, and then yeah, yes, we can add only two. We can't. So if you wanted to add a like one more table, one more join with the, if we are having a multiple table, okay, now we are having a two. If we are having a three also, I'll show that one, that example. Okay, I'll show three table connection example as well. Now we'll see this one. Okay, you guys understood? Here, see why we are giving these fields. If I wanted to see, I wanted to see my department number in my logical file. I wanted to see my department name in my logical file. Emp salary, emp department type, and then emp name. These are the fields I just want to see in my logical file. That is the reason I am mentioning these five columns. If I don't need to mention five, if I wanted to see only one or what two, so then I'm going to mention any two, which like columns you wanna see. You can mention that one, because see, yeah, see this joining only, it will create a relation between two tables. Okay, then only you can able to fetch the data, na. So here it will join the tables. Okay, so both the tables will join based on the column. So based on the these two columns only, the record get fetched from both the tables. Yeah, logical, not about only the fixed particular thing. See, I'll give an example. So if you are having a physical file of an like 1,000 people's data, okay, so in that physical file, having a name and then employee number and then salary and then different departments. Okay, so you are having, you just wanted to get the only like particular department. Okay, so if you wanted to get a only, so in department, so many departments now. So IT, non-IT, like AWS, and so HR department. Okay, so you just wanted to fetch the data from HR department. In logical file, what you are going to do, you just going to add the field of an department field, and then mention a key of an department name. Okay, so where you will get the only department, it is belong to an HR. Okay, that is the reason. So based on the business requirements, we are going to create a logical file. It isn't just a view. Okay, so we are not going to create exactly what is present in a physical. Based on the requirement, the required field and required data, if you wanted to fetch from physical file, then we are going to use a logical file. Okay, okay, fine. So now I am going to compile. Guys, clear, right? This one. In this coding, anyone having doubt? Okay, so okay, first we'll see this one, then afterwards we'll do. Okay. Now I have opened this one. Okay, so I've already compiled this one. So now I'm going to run. Once again, I'll compile where it is going. See, errors in DDS not allowed because I think the table name wrong. We have given a wrong table name. I have to check work members PDF. So you see here, DEPT PF12 and EMP PF12. So I have given reverse in that one. That is the reason it is not working. So I'm going to edit that one. Here, see, I've given a wrong thing. So guys, see, whenever you got stuck or if you're getting any error, please go and check a spool file. That there you're going to get clarity which error you're going to get and everything. Okay, so that is well, good practice. That's why I think sir mentioning again and again, whenever you got an error, so please check on like spool file. Then you're going to identify your error and you can directly fix error in this particular editor. Okay, so now it is got. I'm going to compile. See, file join 12lf created in library Abhi. Now I'm going to run this one. Run query star n, and I'll use join 12lf. See guys, this is what I got. Okay, So this column from which table? EMP table. Okay, this column from EMP table, or this EMP salary column from EMP table. So this department type from department table, department number from department table, and department name from department. Okay, so based on the department number and employee number, I have joined this particular logical file. Okay, yes, anyone having doubt? Clear, right? Hello. Clear. Okay, so now I'm going to create a one more physical file, and then I'll show how to create like how to join a three tables. Okay, so which one I'll go? Department location. Okay. Yeah, see, if you're having any question, please ask. If I can able to like give the answer, else I will research about it and tomorrow I'll let you know, guys. Nee, see, I am not copying every data, na. So if I wanted to copy everything from one file to one file, then we can do that one. I am not doing anything, na. So I'm just using location number. I'll use only two field here. Okay, that's the reason I'm not using. No, I'm not doing salary. I'm using location table. Okay, so I'm just here going to location. Just mention the location name. If we are going to copy entire thing from one table to another table, then we can go for that. I'm not doing that. Yeah, that's why. It's compiled. See, guys, compiled this one. So I'm going to upd delete doc pf. I'm going to add. So here also I have to add 100 location. So see, I have created the one more this one physical file of an location. So now I'm going to show you how to join the three tables. Okay. So here, see, we have done this one. Like previously, we have seen how to join the two tables. Now I'm going to do third table as well. So how to copy multiple tables? I'll show you. See, now I am using CC, and then here I'll use B before. Copied, na, guys? Got it? How I did? Should I do once again? Wait. So now I'll do DD. See, if you wanted to delete a single line, use D. Okay. So if you wanted to delete a single line, enter like how you use I, same. Okay. So if you wanted to delete a multiple lines, use double D. Here also use double D, and then enter. Gone. Okay. So now yeah, I'm copying this one, this line, and then this line. I'm using multiple C after that. So before this line, I want those two lines. That's why I'm pressing B. B for before, A for after. That's it. Okay. You just remember that one, and then enter. So these two came. Okay. Now what I have to do here? So I have to add a one more table. Which one? Log PF12. Okay. And then I have colon here. Here, see. Now I am joining first EMP number with department, this one location number. Okay, so now I will give what I'll give 3 because it is on third table, right? Guys, got it? Why? Yes, we can use 2 and 3. It is based on relation. Okay, so the both tables like column should be same. Where you are joining, the both the table column should be same. You can use 2 and 3, you can use 1 and 3, everything is okay. So here I have to change. If I am using a 2 and 3, what I have to do, ODEPT number and then log. I, and yeah, I have to repeat now this one. Yeah, okay. See, in from first line I'll explain. So in this is the like three tables join, three physical files joining. Okay. So first what I did, this one record format. So I took a J file and then I'm adding a EMP PF12, department PF12, and then location PF12. So these three these are my three tables I just wanted to join. Okay. So next I here what we have to do. So joining process, it will happen with the only two tables. Okay. First I am doing what, I am combining EMP and DPT first joining. Okay, so that's the reason I am using 1 and 2, and here I am like which column, through which column I am joining EMP number and then department number I am joining the columns, two tables here. Okay, so again once again whenever we are using this one, so we have to use another J here. So this is one more join, right? I am joining department 1 or 3 or 2 or 3, so now I am doing one more join. Exactly, right? This is a sec. Yeah, I didn't get your question, please. One second. No, I didn't get your question. Someone asking something. Yeah. I know. See, okay. This is so I'm joining here. He- Here. No. It won't going to consider. So in SQL, same. It is what it is we are using. It is same process which we are using in SQL. Okay, so you can't able to join like more than two tables in a one go. You can join only two tables in one go. Okay, so if you wanted to join a multiple tables also in SQL, we are having a subquery. Okay, on top of that subquery, we can like join the multiple tables. So it is the same process. There we are using a different concept, here we are using a different concept, that's it. So whenever we are trying to join a like more than two tables, we are just adding tables here and then we have to add this join multiple times, that's it. Okay, so now I will going to add one more this one uh, line, and then I am going to location name, right? Yeah, okay. So I'm using location name. Anyhow, a department number is there because based on that only we are joining. What it will show department name. I'm using file here, and then again once again I'll compile it one. So yes, I am going to delete that object. Deleted and new object got created. So now I'm just going to run that one. Yeah. Okay. See guys, this is the output. Got everyone? If I wanted to share this that like logical file table also, I'll copy and paste in this chart once again. I'll share that one. It will be beneficial to you whenever you guys are practicing. You see. So you see now if you wanted to add a join a one more table, what we can do? We just need to add one more file here, one more file type here, and then here again these two lines once again. That's it. Guys, you're getting what I'm saying? If you want, if you wanted to join one more physical file, you just need to add a file here, and then these two lines once again, and then joining based on the condition which like column with which you are joining. Okay. Yes. One second. shared that this one screenshot as well. You can go through that one. So now guys, we are done with this one. We can't able to do anything. This is what sir like taught in the class regarding to an physical file, logical file. This is actually DB2 concept. DB2 concept which is going to over here. So now we'll start with an SQL thing. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay. You're not getting any output. I think you missed something. You just check. Okay, so I've shared that query as well. You just go through that one and like make sure that whenever you are like typing your query, use once or twice use that one. After that, you'll get. Okay. Okay, okay, fine. So what I'll do now, I already created SQL, guys. See, if I wanted to create, can I explain like showing here only? That is going to which one I can better. Okay, okay, fine. Yes. So I've deleted everything. I think so. I have to delete this one. Okay. So now I will what I'll do. I'll take F6 and I'll go to for EMP table. Okay. This is my source member. EMP table is my source member and source type. So I'm using SQL. So that's why I'm going using SQL. So here, guys, what we have to write just normal text. Create table name. Which table name you wanted to create? So emp table I'm going to give here. So open bracket. Okay. After that I insert. So which column you have to create? I just wanted to create emp number. I took, see, emp number, which category it will come? It will come on like character or integer. Yes, integer. Okay. So for integer you don't need to specify the this one length and all. That's the reason I'm not taking any length for that. Emp name is the next. It is a character. Okay. We can use character and then varchar, both are same. Okay, well, I'll use varchar for 15 length for name and I'll take one comma. So after that emp dept, again I'll go for this character. I'll use all the like the data types. That is going to better to understand. So 5 I'm using here. After that I'm going to add emp salary, emp salary, and I'm going with integer. So integer. You can go for numeric as well. I'll go for numeric this one. Numeric I'm using 6 and 2 guys. Okay. Yes. NUMERIC then correct. Yes. Okay, so I'm using 6 and comma 2. So this is my table and now I am going to create a primary key here. So primary key. So we have to specify the name of that primary key. So now I am taking primary key as an employee number and 6. So 6 is an whole digit. Okay, so 6 total 6 digit. In that 2 I am taking this one. What I can say decimals. Okay. So now this see, if we'll go and compile this one, it is going to create. So it is a rule which we have to follow. That is the reason I'm going record format and I'll go for emp rec. Guys, this syntax understood? Everyone, anyone having doubt? If anyone having doubt, please let me know. No, everyone clear, right? About this record format. Yes. Okay. So now what I will do, I'll just go and file this one. It got came outside. So this is which one? We have to use this exactly. Here I have to use. In SQL we don't need to use that. I if So see, here we don't have a option of an compilation here. So if you will give 14 also, it is not going to support. You can check. So if you give 14 and then check, it is going to see that the compile option is not allowed with member type SQL. So for that we are having a one more command. Which command we are using? Which command, guys? Anyone having idea which command we have to use here? Run SQ HTM. Okay, so after that we have to take F4 and we have to mention here. So our live source file, which source file we are creating? QSQL src. This is my source file. Which library? So I'm using here abi 05991. This is my library. Okay, so which source member? emp table. Okay, so here we are changing change to none. Why? Means I don't want to commit everything which I am doing. Okay, so I'm not giving commitment control to change. Okay, so that is the reason I'm using none. Okay, hello guys, understanding? Okay, so now I'll press enter. See, the run SQL command failed. I think we did some mistake over there. We'll check which thing we did wrong to enter what we did here. One second, we'll see what is going to happen here. Primary key is correct, TMP number is correct, P number integer is correct, varchar is correct, character is correct, numeric is also correct, everything is correct. Let's see now. EMP table and this closing brackets are there. We'll check what is happening inside this one. So guys, now I got a error. How to check with error? See, we have to go for an work spool file and then enter. So it is going to, we are going to get the spool files all which we have did previously. All it is going to show and log for us. So here, so okay, we'll join once again. See, okay, so now I'm using 5. I just wanted to check where I wanna see, you can give B or else you can use this one, page down, and then you can check what is an error here. So here what it is showing, position 5 token is not valid. See, something we did wrong. Impsal here, message position 5 19 token was not valid. So see, here we don't need to use anything like commas and all. That is the reason I'm getting a error. Got how to check a spool file? You guys got how to check our full spool file? How to like rectify our errors? Guys, I'm audible. Okay, so yeah, okay. So see, if you are facing with a multiple spool file, we can use DLT, SPL, F. So if we use this one, all what happened? DLT, SPL, spool file. Okay, I think this one is pub 400. The get side I told you na, in pub 400 where we can't able to do what we are exactly wanted to do. It is like a lot of things is there here. We can see which one, DLT spool file, and then we have to use star select. See, I'm having a 59 files deleted. All like spool files are deleted. So whenever you're trying to work with a spool file, so once you are done with this one, delete one because you are going to get that file easily. So you can do that one as well. So we have done with the EMP table. So I'm going to fix that one, which what error we are getting. So here see, we don't need to mention this comma. We have to remove this one. So now I'm just deleting this and giving space and then to that this and comma. Now I'm going file. So run SQL. No, no, we don't need to use comma in between those two. That is the reason. That's it. That's why it's showing error. We found now where error. What is the error? So now I'm using SQL src library B0599 my library type and then member emp table. Check this one. Again failed. Better go with integer. Okay, so we'll use integer and then we'll do afterwards if we'll see. I'll see about that when I'll let you know, guys. So now I'm using integer. Okay, integer. If you use integer, we don't get any errors and all. Again failed. So okay, we'll see UPD DTA UPD DTA and then EMP table. Oh, because see what happening that yes yes. No, no. See what I'm having the same EMP table. This one record. I think I'm having this object already. That's why it is showing like this. So now we'll see. We have that object is not created, right? So I'll go and check work obj. What I'm going to use EMP table. Okay. So, see the object is present. That is the reason that is not like compiling and it is failing again and again. So now I'll delete this one. So cannot delete a file. I remember. Nothing. I don't have anything here. Yes. It's okay, guys. I think everything correct, right? In this one, create table, AMP table is also correct. AMP number, integer, AMP name. Ah, that is correct. But why it is not working? Yeah, no, now only I did this one. Nah? It is working now. It is. I think something is going wrong. If it is not working here, I'll go with this one. Like official this one. The one second. One second. Run. I think this object is already present. That is the reason it is not using. See, again and again failing. So what we can do, instead of this one, we'll delete this one and we'll create with different name. Positional value. So now it is deleted. So for that, I'll create with a different name, guys. That's why we are getting. I'll create with my name file only, Abhishek. So I'll go for SQL and back here. Nothing is required. So create table Abhishek and then I'm going. I'm creating another file. So here I'll go for name. Name is going to work here. So I'll go for EMP number itself. EMP number. EMP number teacher. I'm going to EMP name with where care of N20 and EMP salary is going to teachers and then I'll go for teacher we don't need to give. Okay. So after that what I'll do EMP and this is also going to take where care and then this is yes this is in syntax how we going to create a table in SQL. This only syntax. Okay, so now we have to add a primary key and then I'm going to take a primary key as an EMP. I think we have to use spaces. EMP number and I'm using one more bracket and RCD FMT and EMP RP rank. Then I'm using this because of that object only that is not working. So now I think it will going to work. Run SQL STM is in command where we are going to like create an object. This is in Q SQL SRC is in file and the library Abhi 05991. This is my library and member is Abhishek. So now I'm going to change. I don't want to commit anything, so that's why I'm changing the commit. So see now it is created because I think that TMP table is having a one more object. That's the reason it is going to like show us an error. So what I'll do now, I'll add update UPD DTA Abhishek. You know right how to add this one and all. Something TMP department IT 200 department name only not getting. So, okay, so I have created the table and I have added data to this one. So we have to query this one. So I'm using a run query and then n Abhishek is my table name. See, this is what output we got, guys. Okay, so this is how we are going to create a table in SQL. Okay, so here in that we are not using any physical thing here. So we are using direct SQL syntax. Everyone got this one, right? So how to create a table. Okay, so here I'll create a one more table here. Okay, uh, after that one we'll create a view and then I think it is wow, another 5 minutes there, right? So I'll going to quickly I'll create a DPT. I don't create DPT. Yes, you are sharing screen. One second, one second. Okay. See, yeah, yeah, we'll see afterwards. Now see here. So I'm going to create a one more. I think you guys are aware about this syntax, right? Create is an this one keyword. Table also is an. We are going to create a table. I think I've already shared. Na? This meeting is going to end it in 15 minutes. Next 15 minutes. Okay. Now it's visible. Okay, so now I'm using a see how I am writing this one. This is in syntax of an SQL. So create is an keyword, table also is an keyword. So after create and table, I have to give a table name. So I am giving table name as Mohan here. Okay, because I'm having EMP, DP so many tables. That's why I'm using a yeah. Which where we have to give comment. One, one second. File C. So this is an you know how to get into this one. You know everyone know right how to get into this one. If you like want which command we are using to get into here, so I'll go for F3. Which command I have to use there to get into that one? Work. Yeah, this is the command. So where we are going, see, work with member with this PDM. Okay, so I just going to come here, work with member using PDM. Okay, so like this is a file. Okay, so inside file we are having, so now we are in inside the file. So first library, so you just take this one. See, first we are in library. On top of that library we are having a file. So I'll show you how this is going to work. One second. So this is my file. Okay, so now I'm having, see, now I'm having like multiple this one files. So this is, you just guys consider as an, this is a library, different types of libraries. Okay, guys, getting, hello?